Stand behind the vacuum. Reach forward using slight trunk flexion and elbow flexion. Power grasp handle with one hand, and with the other hand grab cord with pad to side grasp and circumdunk the shoulder with elbow flexion and extension to unravel the cord. Grab plug with a key grasp and stabilize the body in front of the outlet. Using trunk flexion, bend forward and reaching the plug the cord into the outlet, protracting shoulder with a neutral wrist. With a power grasp, pull vacuum handle towards the body, flexing elbow and hyperextending your shoulder. Roll vacuum to area to be vacuumed. Be sure floor is clear of large and small items using visual scanning. Dorsiflex foot to plantar flexion to release handle to extend shoulder. Turn on vacuum with DIP flexion of the middle phalanx. Create base of support with feet. Bilaterally grab excess cord with hook grasp to get it out of the way. Flex shoulder to move vacuum forward, returning vacuum to starting position by flexing elbow and hyperextending shoulder. Repeat last two steps until area is clean.